today's look, I'm gonna put an outfit with these sneakers. Sí me los puse ya una vez, pero I'm gonna like do a makeup look for it today. And these are the MAC times Puma for the 50-year shoot suede anniversary. Now I got the color Lady Danger and the lipstick Lady Danger as well. So yeah, let's get into it. I already got my eyebrows on and I used the MAC Spike pencil. This is the new formula. To me, it's alright. Works pretty good. Works pretty nice. I still use spiked anyway, so right now I'm doing the Danger. See right here is a red orange and it's a matte. I don't know if you can really see that it's a red orange, but definitely in person you can notice the orange a bit more. Yeah, so this is gonna be our lip color with red lip pencil. This came in a lip duo kit I bought. So that's what we're gonna be wearing on the lip. For eyes, we're gonna go ahead and use the KKW Beauty times Mario palette. And I think this is a little bit too bright. This red orange lip look, I'm gonna go ahead and use the KKW times Mario. You see, and I use a little bit of these colors. This color I actually don't like that much. I am gonna try a little bit on today, I think, possibly, but I think this color sucks a little bit. And then for me, the winner of this palette is gonna be this highlight shade. It's popping. I had tried this blue. I haven't tried this purple yet. I do like this bronze because this is like a bronze that has like, it has almost like, I want to say like a pink kind of like shimmer to it. I really don't know if you can pick that up on camera. Need to get better at this. Okay, we'll start with the crease color, and this is going to be Miami. I'm going to blend that all over my crease with my MAC blending brush. Next, I'm going to take Bronzy, that is the actual name of the shade. This is the color I told you I like at the beginning, and this is just a regular packing brush. This is what's from some brand in Puerto Rico. And I'm going to blend that out also with my blending brush. And next shade I'm going to take is the gold shade. This is Armenian. I kind of started packing this to the center of the lid, but then I ended up packing it just all over because it completely overpowered the bronzy. So next I'm going to take Loyalty because I'm looking to deep my crease, but as you can see, it kind of is very faded. So I went ahead with my Ico liner from MAC. I think it's Feline. And I just did a simple line. It's not clean at all. And then I take a Real Technique brush, which is really soft. And I blend that out, that little liner line I made there. You see how it's messy? But I go from my inner corner eye, I blend inward, and then from my outer corner eye, I blend outward, and it kind of gives like this elongated cat eye. You can see there. Trust the process, please. I go over again with a little bit of that gold shade and Armenian, and then Loyalty with a 221 MAC brush. This is just a very thin brush. I take my wipes and kind of like clean my edges out. Now I'm gonna apply my MAC Strobe Cream as my moisturizer slash primer. I'm gonna do my MAC Fix Fluid. I'm number NC42 if anybody is curious. And this is my favorite sponge actually. This is the Real Technique sponge. And I just blend away all over my skin. Here I'm taking my Wet n Wild concealer, and this concealer is actually pretty nice, and I think it's only like $4 or $5, and I blend this out with my G2 brush from Morphe. And I kind of make that edge really nice and sharp. Try to not mess it up there, Ray, please. Yes. Okay. All right. I set my under eyes and mostly the center of my face. I don't set my whole face because the Studio Fix Fluid has a matte finish. That was the MAC Plus Powder Foundation I set with. And now I'm going to take my KKW Beauty Lightening Brightening Powder. I love that. And now I'm taking my Marc Jacobs bronzer and kind of like bronze slash contour with that at the same time. Feeling myself right there. Sorry about the lighting in and out because it started raining. So now I'm going to take from the palette again. I'm going to go ahead and highlight first with the MAC shade. That's Decade. And then I take the highlight shade that I really like. And that was it's named 2008. And then continue to blend out your lower lash line to the smokiness of your desire. And if you mess up a little up there on the edge, just take your beauty sponge because it has some leftover product on it, right? For blush, I mix Modern Mandarin and Cheeky Bits from MAC. Cheeky Bits, I did a little bit over the eye as well to kind of tie it up all together. This one has a little shimmer to it. It's a really pretty blush. And then for highlight, I take also from a MAC collection when I work there, and this is called At Dusk, but I really think that's like Whisper of Guilt or something. It's so pretty. For my lips, I take red, and that's red with a double D. And I always feather my outer corners of my lips to get them really nice shape. And now I'm gonna fill in with the whole idea of this look, the Lady Danger lipstick that's gonna match my sneakers. So now I'm just perfecting those edges again, and here I'm popping some lashes. These are MAC number 34. These have a shorter at the beginning of the lash and then longer at the outer, so it looks more elongated as well for the eye. I take also a white jumbo pencil and put that in my waterline. I didn't use the black liner on the lower bottom lash line, if you notice, right? I take some mascara. This is a mascara from MAC that has the wand that you can adjust to kind of get really in there for your little lower lash line, which I apply more mascara there when I wear fake lashes because my eyes are a little sensitive, and if I have a lot of product on my eye, my eyes just get watery and it's not gonna be pretty. So here I'm taking this curler. Okay guys, this eyelash curler. I saw this Patrick Starr on one of his recent videos talked about this eyelash curler. So I got it on Amazon. The brand was Prima and it has some Chinese writing on it, but this eyelash curler is so good for your just try it. Then I'm taking some Fix Plus, and this is with the coconut scents. Este es el que huele a coco, man. Sometimes hablo tanto inglés que se me traba la lengua. Se me está acabando el de coco. I take my Real Techniques brush, sponge, and I just, vamos a secarnos un poquito porque me mando. Retouch that highlight, of course. Alright, so this is how it came out. So I can throw on an outfit and wear my new sneakers. Be right back. Alright, so I'm back. And I threw on a very simple outfit. I'm not really going anywhere. I just put on some jean shorts with this crop top, earrings, my watch, and the sneakers. Most likely I'm gonna try to post the whole outfit look on Snapchat and Instagram. Please go follow me. That's gonna be my name on YouTube.
Instagram and Snapchat is That Girl Riza. That is all together, That Girl Riza, R-A-I-Z-A Riza, R-A-I-Z-A Riza. So please follow, like, comment, subscribe. Any feedback is welcome. I'm new. I'm editing. I'm sorry I was some weeks out, but I kind of came back to Orlando from Puerto Rico. But yeah, I hope you guys like this look, and see you in the next time. Bye.